Welcome! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Agile CRM step by step. We'll cover contact management, deal tracking, marketing automation, email campaigns, and reporting tools so you can manage your sales and customer relationships more efficiently. Marketing automation and customer service, all in one place. Best of all, you can get started for free with up to 10 users and no credit card required. Agile CRM highlights 3 key reasons why it is worth choosing. When you enter, you'll be here at the homepage. Now, eager to see contacts here? Revenue, deals, goals, tasks. Then you would see calendar tasks and your activity. So you can simply change your dashboard by going to the top right and click here at our dashboard, like contact list, deals, goals, revenue graph. I can simply click here and edit. Then again, you can add RSS feed, activities, and really optimize your dashboard as much as you want. When you come here to the top right, you can see recent activities and you can simply add. This is like the quick way you can add contact, company, deal, even task, note, email, ticket, call, and document. I will show you everything how we can do it. Then on the top left, you would see a calendar where you are going to see what needs to be done. Then task like overdue, today, tomorrow, later, and that is pretty much. And then you have like a search button. You can search for everything. When I click here on the menu, I can simply click on contacts and you can import the contacts, or you can simply click on the top right, add a contact. You can also add a tag and add a campaign. On the right side, you can see filters, so you can actually filter everything. Let us go to the top right and add a contact. Now I will add a name by the title, company. We will add a new one. Okay, email, phone, and you can also add tags, and we got it. So here we got our first contact. On the left side, you are going to see details. Then you can simply add a note. Note, delete, click save. Right then, you can simply click on events. You can have notes, and I can simply add events, or I can add task. So task name, field approval, and you can have it as a call, email, follow-up, meeting, milestones, sent with, or other. Owner, priority. If it is high, normal, low, and status, you have to start in progress. And I am going to go like 50. Relates to myself. And related deals, if you have some deals related, you can add them here. Let's click save. Right then, you are going to see deals here, and I can add that it is not associated with any deals. And I can simply add a deal here. So the deal name can be deal lifetime or honor. Value can be 10,000. You can also add products here. Profitability 30%. You can add milestones. If it is new, prospect, proposal. I am going with the prospect. Close date, let's go with any date. Deal source can be website, referral, ads. Type is the color, relate to, and again, tag. Now I just click save, and then you have campaigns here. You can add a new campaign, and then you have updates, and then like mail here that you can set up, and you can easily set up and connect your Gmail account and then send mails to your brother or your client. And you can simply add the documents here too. And then you have tickets. Tickets are from a service that needs to be sold. They are like questions from a client. When I'm going to click on companies, I can go to the top right and click add new company. And I can go to the URL. I would edit. I can continue editing. And I can get URLs, tags, and email, phone, website, and city, state, address, and country. This is really similar way we can do it with contact. Okay, I got company. I can add contacts directly to the existing company that I just created. So my recommendation would be just create an organization first, and then create contacts. Then you are gonna see deals here. So right now, as we create our deal, I can see right here that this is a deal of a lifetime. I can simply achieve it. I can delete it, or I can move it between new, prospect, proposal, or one. So I can simply click here on proposal. And then again, I can add notes to the documents, related tasks, events, and or products. Then I can see documents here. Inbox. They are like my emails. I can compose. I can add email from an email address. This one or my own. I will verify the email. I would need to configure my domain keys, and I can simply send emails from my Agile CRM. Then I got to see online calendar here. I can simply schedule a URL. These are like my online appointments that I can have. So business hours, when I work, meeting types, let's keep it short. Let us chat 15, 30, and advanced buffer time. Just like not really to take surprise appointments. Buffer time is the minimum notice time you need for your next appointment. And a calendar where you would see everything. So let's say 30 minutes, and then I just choose a date and a name. Email, phone number. This is a really great way. Let us say you want to set up like when you are available. And you can have this really huge thing. Not a lot of people, not a lot of companies CRM have an online calendar implemented in their software. So this is a huge thing that you can use. Then you are gonna see activity. You will see all your activities, what was happening. The next thing is reports. And reports, you can have automation stat. Deals like incoming deals, I can see that this is my incoming deal that I'm going to get. Maybe the lost revenue by source, user reports, rep performance, comparison reports. And you can really choose what kind of report you want to see and find out. Average call duration, all logs, all outcomes. And then the last thing is automations. And in automation, you can simply contact edit. So when contact is added, what is going to happen, right? When it is going to be a contact edit. And I can send email from Brotherstone to anywhere, text, HTML, CC, BCC, subject, reply to, click save. Then you can wait. Click open, tags, score, URL, treat, A/B testing, or you can also go add a task. So when there is a new contact, you can add a task. Folder, contact category, all, normal, priority, big save, new days 1. So now I'm going to choose like this. So when there is going to be a new contact, I'm going to add a task. Then I can add a contribution or I can add a deal. You can really, like automation, it is as much as you want. In conclusion, Agile CRM is a powerful all-in-one platform that brings together sales, marketing, service, and automation into one seamless experience. From managing contacts and deals to customizing dashboards, sending emails, scheduling meetings, and running reports, every feature is designed to boost your productivity and streamline your workflow. Whether you are a startup or a growing business, Agile CRM's intuitive design and free access for small teams make it an excellent choice. With its robust automation tools and built-in calendar, it truly stands out in the CRM space. Dive in, explore, and transform to... Thank you very much for watching this complete step-by-step guide. I hope this video helped you understand how to use Agile CRM to manage leads, automate marketing, and close deals more effectively. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more practical CRM, business, and software tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.